Starting things off with a live look outside thanks to the Crem 2 Storm Tracker. Look at the roads. This is Interstate 90 and somewhere you just don't want to be. It is a nasty go out there this morning. Allow extra time. Just take it easy if you can. That's the pro tip for the day. Today, we are still under that winter storm warning. This will last through much of the day for us. 5 to 9 inches in eastern Washington and North Idaho, 6 to 10 as you make your way off to the north, and even 4 to 7 out in central Washington is what you're waking up to. We are talking some serious snowfall across the entire region. Look at this. This is Moses Lake at I-90, and yeah, even the central portion of the state getting enough snow that it's hard to even make out the lanes there. When it comes to the storm, we're in the heart of it. We are in this snow part right here, but expect it to start to taper off after the morning commute. And by this evening, unfortunately, it's looking like we are going to get rain as wind returns to the region. Right now, it is very widespread snow. I was going to zoom in and show you all the different areas, but it's just snow coming down everywhere, and expect this to continue. But notice how there are a couple little pockets here. This is what I want to show you. Those little pockets are going to kind of continue throughout the day. You're going to go, oh man, are we done? No, that's really going to be the way it works this morning. So we're in it pretty widespread through the morning commute, but notice by about 10:30 this morning, we'll wind up catching a bit of a break. You'll notice it first in central Washington. The rain shadow of the Cascades is going to be at play here. You're going to wind up drying out, and then as the energy exits the region, we will slowly wind up drying out, but we'll still have some lingering bits of energy that can squeeze out a little more moisture. And before temperatures rise too much, it is still going to be snow, and notice that is right around that evening commute, so this is kind of an all-day event. Then tonight, winds pick up and a southerly wind ahead of the cold front. Right now we're kind of headed into the warm sector of this storm. Means that we are going to see rain, unfortunately, and rain pretty widespread even as we get into Friday morning. When it comes to snow levels, up and over, say, 2,700 to 3,000 feet is where that snow is going to stay. So ski resorts looking like no rain, but for the rest of us, it is looking like pretty widespread rain as we get into the day on Friday. All said and done, we talked about it. 5 to 9 inches in Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, 8 to 14 in Silver Valley, 4 to 7 down in Pullman. You're looking at 3 to 6 out in Ritzville and Moses Lake, 5 to 9 in Chewelah, Sandpoint, 6 to 10 inches there. Mountain passes, this is where things are going to get a bit crazy. How about this one for you? 12 to 18 on Highway 12, 12 to 18 over Interstate 90, 24 to 40 over Stevens Pass, and 24 to 40 as you make your way over Highway 20. That is some serious snow. In fact, Snoqualmie and Stevens already closed, and we're going to get those updates at noon, but expect snow today there and a rain-snow mix as we get into tonight. When it comes to this storm, today's the start. This is our warm front, actually, and the warm front's what's giving us all this snow. We wind up in the warm sector tomorrow. That means rain, wind, and temps on the rise.